Learn right now how to create white marble with brass highlights using spray paint. In this video, we're going to teach you all the tips and tricks to cover your old existing countertops with epoxy and spray paint. This process is simple, easy, fun to do. Stay tuned. Enjoy the video. Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again. I want more white and silver, therefore I'm mixing much more epoxy with white and silver, so those are the dominant colors. Then I'll do the antique brass and the black as our accents. Pro tip, use a vacuum to get any of your overspray when tinting your epoxy with spray paint. Shake your can before you spray your can, that way you don't get any chunks into your epoxy. Another pro tip, I'm spraying about 5 to 10 seconds worth of spray paint to tint these cups. That tells you how concentrated my mix is. Antique brass. This makes for a beautiful recipe. I can't wait to see these colors when they conform to each other. Next step, we're going to pour a little bit of each color out. We'll use our tongue depressor to squeegee that out. Let's go. You can see the undertone that step creates. Just using a little bit of our color and scraping that out with a popsicle stick really gives us a fun undertone. Now we're going to create a dirty pour. We're going to put all the colors simultaneously inside one bucket. I'll add some accent color just with the spray paint so I create reactions within reactions. This is a pro tip of how to mimic Mother Nature like a pro. Now you know. Hey guys, I got the excess mixed up in my bucket. I've layered the color, color upon color, spray paint intermittently, and I have a fun bucket. Let's pour it out and see what happens. Here we go. All right guys, you see how putting the product out in different methods creates different looks. I could do straight lines, I could do a ring pour, I could put down striations like I did in the beginning. The sky's the limit. What I recommend is a combination of our different techniques. Watch this video, mimic what we do at first on a sample piece, and you'll know exactly what you want for your own space. The sky's the limit, and the color palette we chose here is a home run.
Hey guys, do you have old tabletops, countertops, desktops, surfaces, and more that need to be renewed? Save time and money with the epoxy and spray paint kit we designed for this exact color. Just follow the link to our website. Here, we have the countertop kit that will save you thousands on your next remodel. You won't believe the result you'll get even in your first project. Scroll to the comment section and you'll find the link pinned as the first comment. On our site, you'll get written instruction, video archives of this project, as well as instructions on how to do your clear coat like a pro. All for free while supplies last.
Next step, I'm going to use my hands, a popsicle stick, a squeegee, a Bondo spreader, a rag, my tool of choice to simply move this color out. I want to under move it. I simply want to move it as much as I need and then stop, evaluate, and continue. Mimic it and move it as much as you need and then stop. Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy is self-leveling. It's designed for countertops so you can go over old existing surfaces and make them look new, restored and renewed to mimic Mother Nature and natural stone. Marble, granite, quartz, and other things can be matched using these techniques. All I'm going to do now is just push this around a little bit. I'm going to leave some of those undertones. I really like how this is laying out, but because it self-levels, it really does the hard work for me. Be patient. It's going to level out. A heat gun is a great tool of choice to help manipulate and move the color. Let's get it out and move this around. Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy has an unparalleled working time. You're not going to need to be in a hurry. You can get these effects in your piece without stress. Guys, it's important to have an epoxy formulation that's heat resistant, scratch resistant, UV resistant. It's color fast, and it's designed as a food safe product for countertops. Guys, you can actually just apply the same Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy the next day as a clear coat, and it becomes completely food safe for commercial environment and incidental food contact. Guys, this is fantastic to renew your old surfaces. Let's keep moving it. All I'm doing right now is just blending color. I'm just looking at the hard lines, and I'm just blending color. That's gonna make this look like a piece of natural stone as opposed to individual pours that I did. All I'm doing now is just going through where anything looks man-made, and I'm just chopping it down with this tongue depressor just to make it look natural, like Mother Nature created this, not a man. That's what I'm looking at doing. Mother Nature's random. You can't tell what she did. It just simply happens and it becomes beautiful. And that's what we're using the self-leveling properties for, is that randomness that looks intentional. Guys, the heat gun actually softens your lines.
Yo, we need your help. How did you like what that heat gun did to soften this project? Let us know in the comments below. Option A, I loved what the heat gun did to soften the colors. Or option B, I'd rather have it sharp and distinct. Let us know in the comments below.
So I'm really melding these sections together. I'm creating visual interest, but also realism. If I'm doing a large kitchen project, I don't need to do the whole thing at once. I can mix enough product for the section that I want to work on, get it just right, mix up my next batch in the same recipe, and we know that Mother Nature doesn't always look the same from that end of the kitchen to this. That way it'll go really well using the same colors and the same techniques, but that creates no piece exactly matching the next. That's what we see in randomness and uniqueness found in actual natural stone. The next step will be tomorrow. We're going to let this set up. We're going to do a clear coat with our same Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. That'll add the depth and durability so that we can show you the finished product. Guys, you can do this in your own space over existing countertops, like laminate Formica. You can go solid surface. You can go over cultured marble. You can renew your space for pennies. We can't wait to show you the clear coat. Stay tuned. Let's go.
Question of the day, did you like it before or after the heat gun? Option A, I loved what the heat gun did. Option B, I did not like what the heat gun did.
Hey guys, let us know how you liked the piece. Also, you can click this link to be taken to the epoxy kit that made this beauty. It's available while supplies last. You can save money with this kit on all of these ingredients. These kits include easy one-click ordering and free tutorials to teach you how to create these beautiful effects. From the team at Stone Coat Countertops, thank you for watching.
You got this!